Please don't forget to click on that subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated with all the videos we post in future from totsandmoms.com. Hi and welcome to Tots and Moms. I'm Kavita Prashant and today I'm making chocolate lassi, a great happy twist to our traditional lassi. This is very famous in India and Pakistan, and this comes in lots of varieties, from savory lassi to sweetish lassi to strawberry, mango. There are multiple varieties. I tried this and I loved it, and hence I'm sharing it. So let's dive right in and see how to make chocolate lassi. Let's begin the process by boiling water in a pan. A small pan is good always. In that I'm placing a bowl. We are creating a double boiler now because chocolate shouldn't be melted or heated directly. So I'm adding chocolate pieces. You can even use chocolate syrup, but this will give you great results and taste. You can even microwave it for about 2 to 3 minutes. So our melted chocolate is ready. It's time to cool it completely for the next use. Meanwhile, I'm taking curd or yogurt. The thicker the better and healthier. I'm adding sugar. The measurement of all ingredients is given in the description box. Have a look there. Blend exactly 2 minutes, not more or less. I'm adding melted chocolate. You can even beat it or use a regular blender to blend this mixture. Now after adding chocolate, I'm just giving it a stir for about 1 minute. You don't have to blend it too much. Our chocolate lassi is all ready to be served. You can press it using some chocolate chips before you serve it to your little ones. This is one such rare day when I'm not going to ask you if you liked this recipe, because I am damn sure you liked it, and I would insist you to comment and let me how your little ones liked it. And we have lots of seasonal recipes coming in and seasonal videos as well, like summer care, etc. So please do subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next time with yet another helpful video, useful video. Goodbye.